Hello, I'm going to show you how to set up virtual office hours today using the Canvas Calendar Scheduler. So first you'll go to Canvas and you will log in. And then the next thing you're going to do is find Calendar in the global navigation strip. Go ahead and click on that. All right, now at this point, you will want to select the courses and or groups that you want to be a part of the scheduler. Let me give you an example. I have several sandboxes here. These courses, EdTech, Class Piano, and Music Appreciation, happen to be the courses I'm teaching in the fall. Now, if I want virtual office hours so every student that I teach in the fall has access to those hours, I want to make sure that I'm selecting all of the courses in my calendars, because each course gets its own calendar. Make sure I select that first. That's the first step. Okay? So if I'm going to create this sign-up block for all students, I'll select all of these calendars, and then I'm going to click the plus button right here to create a new event. Next, I need to choose appointment group. So click the Appointment Group tab, and you get some different options. And now I can begin selecting my dates and ranges. So here's where it gets just a little bit tedious. Let's say you want to do Monday, Wednesday, Fridays from 3 to 5, something like that. So I'll select the first Monday, and I'm going to give it the time range of 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Okay, that's going to be 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Now what I want to do is to divide that time slot into a multiple appointment possibilities. So here you want to think about how long each office hour should probably take. I'm going to say, so if an individual student comes in during your office hours, how long do you expect that appointment to be? I'm going to make mine 15 minutes, all right? And I have the option to limit each time slot to one user, all right? So if I only want to meet with students individually, I can do that. If I want to meet with students in groups or in pairs, I can do that too. So I'm going to go ahead and limit it to one. This is a typical office hour situation where you're meeting one-on-one with a student. Allow students to see who has signed up for time slots that are still available. I don't know if you need to click that. That will tell students who's signing up for office hours and who's not. I'm going to leave that one unclicked. And limit participations to attend one appointment. This one's tricky because of how we have to set up the rest of this. If you want to allow a student to sign up for one appointment per day, that means you're going to have to set up this appointment 3 times, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, per the 15 weeks that we meet. That means you're going to do this process 45 times. If, however, you're going to allow a student to sign up for one appointment per week, then you can create a whole week of appointments in one go, and then you're only repeating the process 15 times. So you have a couple of options. You can either uncheck this and allow students to sign up for multiple appointments, and that may be what you want to do, or you can go ahead and say limit to one appointment, and then just know that if you want to limit students to one appointment a week, you'll have to create the weekly appointments all at once here. If you want to allow students to sign up one time per day, you'll have to repeat this for every day. So I'm going to go under the assumption that I'm creating this appointment group for the week. All right. Now that means, and I'm going to limit it to one appointment per week. You may want to choose a different option. So I've chosen Monday. I wonder if it will let me do it this way too. Oh, I can. Yeah. So now I need to choose Wednesday the 19th. Again, from 3 to 5. And now I need to choose the Friday. So that's the 21st again from 3 to 5. Now, after you've got your days, the window in which you're accepting appointments set, when you click this Go button, it will divide that into 15-minute slots. So here I go. And so now you can see I have a 15-minute slot from 3 to 3:15 on Monday, 3:15 to 3:30 on Monday. And if I click through, you'll see that starting on Wednesday, I have another 3 to 3:15, 3:15 to 3:30, 3:30 to 3:45, etc. You want to give this appointment group a name. I'm going to call this Week 1 Office Hours. And in location, you can either give your office or you can say Meet by Teams. Okay? Here's another important part. Select calendars. We've done this once already, but we needed to do that so that the calendars were available to us in this window. If we had not selected them at the beginning, you wouldn't even see the whole list of your calendars. So I'm going to select all my courses, and this will give me a global office hour for all the courses that I teach. I'll go ahead and click Done. And then here, I will say office hours are conducted by team meeting. Please watch your email inbox for the meeting invitation. All right. So then you'll have to go into Teams. Probably if you have a team set up for your course, it's going to be easiest just to go there. And then you can go ahead and schedule that appointment in Teams. All right, when this is all ready to go, you hit Publish. Now let's say I have a situation where I want to meet with groups of students in one particular class at a different time outside my office hours. Let's say I want to meet with groups of 2 students in 30-minute segments, but only with the students from my ed tech. So I'm going to leave those selected for now because those are the courses that I'm teaching. I'll go ahead and create a new event, a new appointment group, and this time I want this to be Monday morning from 8 to 10. So I'll select Monday morning, range from 8 to 10. These are going to be 30-minute time slots. I'm going to limit each slot to, I'll say, 4 users. So I'll meet with 4 students at a time, 30 minutes each. I'm still not going to allow students and limit participants to attend only 1 appointment. Select my calendar. This time I'm only going to select the ed tech. And I'll call this project discussion appointments. And this one, again, I will say Meet by Teams. Don't forget to go, or else you'll get 1 appointment of 2 hours length. So let's divide that into those 30-minute slots and then publish. Now let's look in your calendar and you can see those appointments that we set up right here. When a student has signed up for one of those appointments, the color will change and you'll see that somebody has signed up for it. So here's the project discussion assignments. Here's those office hours. Okay, that is how you can use Canvas to create a scheduler for your office hours. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. See you soon.